Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great. Today in this video, I will teach you how to hide recommended and recently opened history in Windows 11. To do that, just follow this quick and simple tutorial. Right-click Windows logo and select Settings. Next, click Personalization. Then click Start. Be sure to turn off the Show Recently Added Apps, Show Most Used Apps, and Show Recently Opened Items in Start, Jump Lists and File Explorer. Now, let's check. Noticed, the recommended file is already turned off and no files are showing up, as well as the recently file opened. I hope you liked this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe buttons, and don't forget to hit also the notification bell, so you will get the latest video tutorials. Thanks for watching, God bless.